Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Shadowlands. Set up the items that you'll be tracing so that a shadow is cast on the paper. Use your pencil to trace the shapes of the items. And once you've finished tracing, use watercolor to paint in the designs you traced.